Is
Asimba.
crush.
Crush.
Crush. Like crush. Timber, and this is ride. Ride. Like a riding. Right? Why? Because there's a
Hat.
the
The upper hand. The
high.
the high.
It is ride symbol. Crush, ride. This is all sound, including in
The bass drum. And
the
this
bass.
is
The bass. We're going to put it here. Okay. So this is the bass. Bass. This is the small thumb
what thumb?
and the floor thumb.
Your thumb.
No, floor thumb. Because other drums, as you can see, it is on the floor, but this one,
It's below these thumbs.
yeah, this is the small thumb, the medium thumb, and the floor thumb.
Because
Okay.
it's below
Because,
the thumb.
Yeah. So because it is near the floor, the bass drum. Okay. So in the basic, we have three notes in drumming: the quarter note, eighth note, 16th note, and we have other notes, but applicable is the three notes. So we will not touch the notation. So you can, because it takes a long time to have notation in drums. But now, so you can play now. So you can play the song like Billie Jean. Billie Jean, but now I know. Da-da-da. So another song like ting 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 ting. Now, how to drum it? Okay, I will demonstrate. Okay, first. Okay, watch me. I will demonstrate. Okay. So at my side. Okay. So in the quarter note, okay, your turn.
Just no.
This
No.
one also.
Just only this one.
This one also. This one also. Count. Okay, corner. Okay, count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Isa. So, parang hanapin mo kamot. So you will going to be used to it. 1, 2, kanilang sa isa. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. How about you? Okay. Level there. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Hold it. And this one. Okay. But loose. Don't grip it. Don't grip it. Just loose.
No, I don't know.
Like this. You hold it like this, but don't grab it. Don't. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, you get it good. And then put your finger. Use your wrist. Continue practicing. practice that and practice that. 1, 2. Okay. Step. Step on it. Next time, I'm going to teach you the master Malaysia, and I'm going to teach you the first one. And let's practice the whole thing. Dili kay siya direct ano like this. Okay, the proper way is
Hey, Lola, do it.
2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 4. The count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Let's practice that. You want to play that? You want to? 1, 2. No, that is no. So just first the partner. 1,